I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Jay Woods, designated market maker for IMC. Now, Jay Woods, you are back on the floor and you are wearing your smock. It's great to see you.
Not just my smock, but my mask, which is mandated. So, my kids think it's a good look for me. I hate my kids, but it's exciting to be back here. It was a little weird, commuting and coming through, but I got to tell you one thing, especially about New Yorkers. Everyone has been listening to the social distancing. I got on the PAT train. It's a 3-minute ride. I know my mom's going to be upset. I didn't drive all the way in, but 12 people, all 12 wearing masks, everyone social distance. When you're walking on the street, people wearing the mask. In fact, you look funny if you don't. It's crazy. And then you come to the floor and, we had our social distancing in place. The market makers are behind the post instead of out front. We had plexiglass little sections for us to work from. I keep adjusting this. I apologize. And it was weird. I'm not going to lie. It was very odd. It was still quiet. But we came in, we made sure the technology was up and running. It was. We have a shortened staff, and that ran very smoothly. Hopefully, now once phase 2 is over, we talk phase 3, and we bring more people into the building, including you, Judy. I can't wait to see you down here. But it was cool seeing that bell, and the few of us down here clapping loudly, and getting to open the exchange. It was great. So we were excited, and it was great to be back.
Well, it's great to see you back on the floor. So let's talk about the market. Now, last week we came off a rough week. Now, tell me what was going on this week and what you're looking to for tomorrow, for Friday.
Yeah, coming in Monday, we were seeing a carryover of the sell-off that we experienced last week, and we were down 2.5% at one point early on, and then we reversed. Fed Chairman Powell came out with another stimulus package talking about buying back bonds, and the market reversed. So from peak to trough off this last rally to this last sell-off, it was about an 8% sell-off. So not the end of the world. These are normal fluctuations in the market. They just happen at very quick speeds. So we were able to hold some good technical levels held in the S&P 500. We tested the 200-day moving average. It held. Now, the opposite is true with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We rallied back to the 200-day moving average. We haven't gotten above it yet. So we're kind of in this mid-range. Tuesday, we got some positive retail sale numbers that helped talk about a possible infrastructure plan. And then the last 2 days have been kind of quiet. Jobless claims did come out today. Another 1.5 million jobs were lost. This is not a good thing. It was worse than expected. But all eyes are focused on the end of July. End of July, a lot of these benefits do, will they be continued or do they come to an end? We got to get people back to work. And hopefully we're seeing that. I know now that I'm back to work and on the floor, I hope it's just one step of many steps for the rest of the economy to open up and more people to get back to work.
Okay, so how about next week? What are you looking at for next week?
Oh, I'm not even at next week yet. It's still Thursday. We got to get through this week. Tomorrow we have a big close. It's quad witch. So we should see a volume surge on the bell. That is why we felt it was important as market makers to be back here before this event. And then next week, we have the Russell reconstitution. So another big volume event. That's next Friday. Those are the two things we're focused on. So we have the technology back up and running. We have the people in place. So we want to make sure we can handle these volume events. And then as far as the economic data goes, I'll show you that over the week. But right now, we're just happy to be back, and it's exciting.
And it's great to have you back there. Great to see you. So,
all right.
Jay Woods, till next time, thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
All right. Look forward to your arrival back here next.